You're looking for a way to have custom faces on your Apple Watch. Here's a quick guide on how to do it. Even though Apple currently does not allow developers to sell their own faces in the App Store, designers are creating wallpapers that are sized specifically for the Apple Watch, each photo having the correct dimensions and resolution, while also leaving space to show the time and date in the upper right-hand corner. Alright, so here's how it works. The first step is to start by saving images to your iPhone of your favorite Apple Watch wallpapers. There's a bunch of different sites that have them for free. We put a link in the description below. Once you've found a nice face or wallpaper you like, save the images to your iPhone. To do that, press and hold down the image, then hit Save Image. It will then be saved into your Photos album. There's even one site, awphotofaces.com, that has animated wallpapers for your Apple Watch, and even includes a tutorial on how to set them up. That same site also has another unique area where you can easily create your own watch face with text. Okay, so now that you've saved some wallpapers, you want to create a specific album on your iPhone for all your Apple Watch faces. Go to your Photos app, select all the pictures, and create a new album. You can name it whatever you want. To move the wallpapers into the folder, press Select in the top right corner of the Photos app, select the photos you want, click Add To at the bottom, and choose the album. Now go to the Apple Watch application on your iPhone. Under Photos, there's an option to select an album to sync photos to your Apple Watch. Find and select the one you just created. Wait a few seconds for everything to sync. Now, unlock your Apple Watch and visit the Photos section. View one of the photos, force touch on it, and the button Create Watch Face will appear. You can now create as many watch faces as you want from your downloaded